The Vivo S50 and the S50 Pro Mini has officially debuted in China. The S50 Pro Mini will be available in space black, white, and purple shades. In terms of design, the Vivo S50 Pro Mini will feature a horizontal camera module similar to the iPhone Air. The Vivo S50 Pro Mini measures just 8.1mm thick and weighs around 192 grams. It sports a relatively small 6.31-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, 5000 nits of peak brightness, and an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. Powering the Vivo S50 Pro Mini is Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Up to 16GB of LPDDR5X Ultra RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. Get a 50MP main camera, a 50MP Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto shooter, and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. A 50MP shooter for selfies. The Vivo S50 Pro Mini houses an impressively large 6500 mAh battery pack, which supports 90W wired fast charging and 40W wireless fast charging. The Vivo S50 Pro Mini price is set at 3,699 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.